Hello, this is Wheeled and Well Armed. It's Saturday. I just went to my FFL and picked up my SAR K2 45 in stainless steel, and it's a compact version. So we're going to do an initial unboxing here in the car. So excuse my car. I got a wheelchair all folded up here, and my knives and mask and hand sanitizer here in the got the expected manual. SAR puts out a pretty good little manual. They're nice diagrams. It's a 2-color with good instructions everywhere. How to take it apart, what all's in it, what all comes with it. This is a compact, and it does have the lock, has a sticker, basic cleaning kit. But that is the 245 compact right there in stainless steel. It's a fine looking gun. I had pulled it out earlier before I started filming. So let's put away the box. Alright, notice it does have a rail with 3 bars in the rail for flashlights and laser or anything else. These SARs are known to have a good trigger. There's not much after market support for these. It is a safety. It's a double stack 45 ACP. It does have fully adjustable sights, both windage and elevation. Has some very nice markings. Its import mark is Opelika, Alabama. It is made in Turkey. On the other side, it does have the big Sarsilmaz K2 45C, very long serial number. Notice how the barrel top is more like a SIG than a CZ. This is kind of the CZ 97's first cousin, I'd say. I do think it's a softer shooter. The grip is a little more wide than the CZ, and it's much wider than 1911. So it's kind of in that 2011 format, but magazines are not interchangeable. These will work with Para-14 mags, but they will not last around hold open. So let's go show that trigger. Just to get you started, it's all clear in there. We'll dump the mag. You can see down there it's completely clear. See the release. Here we go. Here's the wall. Here's the trigger pull. And here's the reset. Nice. It does take down just like a CZ. You just match the 2 dots. Push the little button on the right hand side. And this comes right on out. You can see there. I'll pull apart the spring. So that's not a captured spring, but it's on a steel guide rod. And we can look at the barrel. Comes right on out. It does have that little part, looks like a CZ barrel. Pretty stubby, being a 3.8 inch long barrel. And serial number there. Looking down the barrel, it does have lands and grooves, not octagonal. And we'll look inside the rail. It is very clean. Let's see this little oil smudge. It's pretty well packed. It does have a deep channel. Does have the fire pin trigger block. Overall, the machining's very clean. We'll look inside the upper or in the lower. It's very clean as well. We'll get this back together and take one final look. Alright, now we're back in. It's all assembled. The full slide is really nice. Feeling the fit and feel of the barrel, there's absolutely zero play in there. Does not move 1/10 of a millimeter. Looking at the barrel, I do feel a little play in there. For accuracy, might hurt it a little bit, but it's barely playing. There's nothing much there. Anyway, I'm excited to shoot this, and we'll take it to the range today. Oh, I guess we'll look at the double action as well. So here we go. Squeeze. Here we go. Probably 6-7 pounds, I would estimate. Have a great day, and we'll do some range footage as well on this. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, here is 13 or 14 rounds in the next magazine. Last 16 rounds. There we go. That's the first 50 rounds. Pull it in and take a look. Alright, here's the Sarsilmaz K2 and 50 rounds. I'd say about 1, 2, 4 flyers, and the rest were in the kill zone. So pretty good day. I'll probably adjust these sights. I was kind of doing a little Kentucky windage on the last magazine and bringing it up, but I need to set the sights a little higher. Have a great day. This is Wheeled and Well Armed, and carry on.